Welcome to another Women and a series with Nzetobo Sigwe Ikolomuo. Today I want to discuss the God that answers prayers. The God that answers prayers. You will hear many people when they pray, they say in the name of whatever. Whenever something happens, when they pray and it gets answered, they will be happy and they will be say thank you, whatever and all that. And when it doesn't happen, they believe that okay, the God is not being answered them or whatever. Now let's get this fact straight. There are three gods that answers your prayers. Each time you pray, whoever you call the name at the end of the day does not matter. Your prayer is always directed to these three gods. The first one is yourself. Some of your prayers that gets answered, you are the one that answer it because you are a god. Man is a spirit. Is the spirit, the God inside you that is inhabiting, that is wearing this physical body that we are seeing. So some of your prayers, especially when you get angry or when you get emotionally charged, this God inside you move into action, swing into action to go and fulfill your prayer request based on the God's power structure, based on the God inside you, its power structure, its capability. So the God that answers your prayer first, that is more concerned about your prayer, about your welfare, is yourself, the God inside you. You are God. I believe almost every culture, every religion acknowledges this fact. So if you are God, that means you answer your own prayers. You have capabilities to bring some of your requests into action. The only difference is how powerful are you. How powerful you are determines the extent you can go in answering your own prayer. The second God that answers your prayer is your chi. Every man has a chi. Your chi is your guide. Someone who has gone through this journey of life that you are going through. In fact, most times when people pray, they always direct it to their chi. Those that pray in English will say, my Lord, where are you? If you translate that in Igbo, what it means is chim, kebeno. And your chi is not two. It's one person. Almost all the prayers that people pray, from the ones they pray inside their bedroom to the ones they pray inside their church, most times, more often than not, is their God that they call on. And who is their God? Is their chi. They say, my Lord, where are you? Chim, kerebeno, where are you? Where are you? And this thing is happening to me. Each time you make that kind of prayer, you call that chi into action. Chim, kerebeno. Even Igbo musicians that claim that they are singing gospel songs, most times they always say it. Each time one calls upon his or her chi, the chi swings into action. Again, depending on the chi's power kakus. All chi does not have the same power kakus. So your chi cannot add beyond his or her power kakus. The third God that answers your prayer is your ancestors. I repeat again, most times when people pray, they say, my father. Anytime you say my father, your ancient power base, the power base of your lineage, you are calling on them. It's part of the meaning of that Igbo saying, once you call upon your father, and say, my father, where are you? Your fathers, wherever they are, they try to see what they can do, depending, one, on their power, secondly, or your affinity with them. At times, our fathers, when we don't have our affinity, when we don't do the things we are supposed to do towards them, at a stage when we call on them, they will not answer. But at times, even depending on our ignorance or on our denial, there might be time, because of that emotional bond, they might be moved to swing into action. These are the three gods that answer prayers. Does it mean there are no other gods that answer? There are several gods that answer prayers. But these gods comes with terms and conditions. I repeat, this yourself, your chi, and your ancestors, these are the gods that answer all these simple prayers that we pray. All these daily prayers that we make. Any other god outside these three is transactional. They will never answer your prayer just like that. It is purely transactional. For example, you cannot sit in wherever you are and call on any other god, maybe even your village deity or even the deity of without having business with them. No, it's transactional. There must be a way that you have something to do, you have engaged them before they will hear you. Any other force apart from the three forces I mentioned earlier is transactional. For them to do something for you, it is transactional. If you go to a deity or you are in your house summoning a deity, they will not listen to you. You must tell them what you are going to do for them, or they will tell you what you are going to do for them before they will answer your prayer or before they do anything for you. And that thing, you either do it before or after, depending on the arrangement or the agreement. Any other god you want to call, whether foreign or local, that is outside your chi, yourself, and your ancestors, it is purely transactional. They will never answer any prayer. They will never do anything for you for free. It's only your chi, yourself, and your ancestors that can do anything for you free of charge. Any other god outside these three, for them to do anything for you, you have to follow their own terms and conditions. Once you follow their own terms and conditions, then you people are in business. There is a covenant. There is a business engagement. So we should stop deceiving ourselves. When we call, at times our chi might answer our prayer and we'll give the credit to another god. Or even you answer your own prayer and you are calling one Jewish or one European deity that he or she there is no element of truth in it. In fact, spiritual maturity starts the day you start knowing the deities or the gods or the power structure that answered a particular prayer, and give that power structure its due credit so that next time it will be easier to access. Thank you.
If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you. I don't want to be